Stop by and take a look at the 2019 Suburban. Suburban exceeds at towing heavy trailers, hauling loads of people and gear, and enduring hard use and rugged terrain. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tow hitch, heated mirrors, power liftgate, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, remote engine start, tires, rear all-season, rear-wheel drive. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.